What? What? If you just won't quit, then ultimately you will get to your business goals. I started my first business when I was 9 years old. I grew up in Dallas, Texas, and I remember wanting to sing in the choir at my church, and my mom was so fed up with me asking for a different activity every single week, skating and ballet and all kinds of things. So when I came to her and I asked her for the $75 for the choir robe, she said, no, figure out a way to get it yourself. So yes, my mom was so mean that she wouldn't even give me money for Jesus. So I figured out that if I could come up with some idea and get my mom's buy-in to raise this $75, I think it may have been $75 to $100, maybe I would be able to sing in the choir. So my mom said, what did you come up with? And I said, well, you know what? Kids love sugar. And I know that there were kids every single weekend having lemonade stands and those kinds of things, but I came up with the idea of having a snow cone stand. Listen, I lived in Dallas. It was 110 degrees on a cool day in Dallas. So I came up with this idea to have my own snow cone stand. My mom advanced me the money. We got the ice, we got the cups, we got 3 flavors, coconut, grape, and strawberry or cherry, and my first business started. That was in May, June of that summer, and by September, by the time it was time for me to go back to school, I had $1,500. I'd sold $1,500 worth of snow cones. And a lot of people say, well, how much were these snow cones? How much were you charging for these premium snow cones? But really it was just 25 cents, 50 cents for 2 flavors, 75 cents for 3 flavors. And that is how I started my first business. $1,500 of snow cones in Dallas, Texas.